To put a conversion ad, go to create, conversion, continue. Here we are putting an ad for people who would fill the inquiry form on our website or any custom page of your website. So here I'm writing conversion. So we have a project out here, which is lifestyle. That's into real estate. Go to next. We'll set up the ad set here. So I'm just writing lifestyle ad set. These names you can put anything as per your convenience. It isn't seen by anyone who's seeing the ad though. So here I have to, since I already had set up the conversion events, the tags. So here I am getting options that which conversion you want to use, which should we count. So here I'll be using one for so I'll be using brochure and to check this. So we have our main site, here we have our projects. As we are tracking a custom conversion, this is for lifestyle. And this is the conversion which we are tracking for now, that whenever people fill it and submit it, it'll be counted if somebody is coming from Facebook ads or Instagram ads. So I'll copy this URL as well. We'll have to put it later. So that's my brochure for lifestyle. And here I'm putting my daily budget as 150 for now. And I'll start my ad around about in an hour. Since I already have created audience, so I'll just use that directly. And here I'm taking manual placement because this ad I just want to put it on stories. So I'm just removing Messenger audience network. But you can choose everything if you want to put it on feeds. So placements you can select according to you. And here's the ad I have to put. So I'm just writing lifestyle. And since I'm not using any dynamic creative for now, I have a video which I want to use. And I'll upload that video. That's a lifestyle ad. Meanwhile it gets uploaded, I'll write my primary text in the headline, which I already have kept it noted. That's my primary text. And I also have to put the headline. And here I'm taking a call to action, which is book now, because we want people to book a site visit. And here I'll have to enter my website URL, which is this, the page. And I'm also adding phone number. So I'm just adding one phone number out here. So it already took 9-1. And yes, here we go. Let's see. And since I just want to check it on stories, I'll have to check what's wrong here. Okay, that was my destination. Okay, that's the number I had copy pasted. I'll copy paste it here. And I'll put that put the link, the website URL. Here you go. And now you can see the ad preview. And right now, as it's showing learn more, I want to change it to book now. We go to learn more and we select book now. So you can see the ads. They have music as well, which will be played out there. So that's my Instagram story, that's my Facebook story and Reels. So you can see the preview and yeah, we are good to go. Publish. So my ad would be scheduled for now. It will be in review and it will be scheduled and around 11 it will start. So you can see I just created one ad which is for conversion and that's scheduled.